In today's video, I'm going to be telling you what an index fund is and kind of like the fundamentals if you're a beginner. So, it is, say, for example, well, not an example, but it can be owned by like an investment fund or a mutual fund, and it's an exchange traded ETF. So, for example, VOO tracks the S&P 500, which has the like 500 like best traded companies, you could say, that it chooses to be in there. And because it's an index fund, it doesn't crash as easy. Well, when I say crash, it doesn't drop as much percent as a single stock, because if you're in an index fund, it's diversified. So say 100 of the stocks, the 500 are down, you still have 400 up. With a single stock, if that one single stock is down, then you're down lots more money than an index fund. So for example, VOO, which was down at most in the past 3 months 4.37% and is now up 6.02% over the past 3 months, is this during correction, because I believe it was February 19th when we started this correction, and now it's like going more because it's called inflation's getting risen, Biden's gonna keep printing money, the Fed's gonna keep printing money, and interest rates are getting higher. So people are weenie babies, they're paper handlers, so they're selling their money because they're scared. As Tesla, though, since it's a single stock, I personally own 2 shares, and in the past 3 months over, it's down 31.17%, and it's now still down 26.83%, which is what, almost 5x what the index fund, no, probably like 7x what the index fund was down. So that shows right there that it goes way lower. So that's why I, for another thing, would recommend index funds for most people that are beginning. And yeah, because you're not going to lose your money. I mean, obviously it could be down when you buy in, but just hold long term. Like, index funds do 8 to 11% historically, and most of the time outperform most hedge fund managers and anybody trying to beat the market. And ETFs, like, usually have lower expense ratios. I believe VOO or some index fund, VTI maybe, has 0.04%, which is very low. So yeah, if you got this far in the video, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. I hope this helped you out, and if it did, hit the like button and also subscribe. It's totally free. You can get free content, and you don't even need school because they don't teach this. Maybe in business class, but I haven't got there yet. But yeah, have a good day. Peace out and subscribe. Actually, like every other video, I kind of forgot to tell you 2 things. The first one is that you have to go in my link below and click on the link for Robinhood. You gotta be over 18, open an account, deposit like even 50 cents, and you can get a free stock on top of your other stocks. So that's 2 free stocks. You can be getting rich tonight and making that money, baby. The second one is to follow me on Instagram to find out when I post a new video, which, why would you? Because all you gotta do is turn notifications on YouTube. Duh, that's all I needed. So, bye.